Have you ever wondered what space sounds like? Maybe you've heard the phrase, "In space, no one can hear you scream," and it's true, at least for the most part. Sound needs a medium to travel through, like air, water, or solid materials. And since space is a vacuum, there's no air to carry sound waves. But there's a twist. Scientists have actually detected sound waves in space, and not just any sound, the deepest sound in the universe. Space-time and sound, how sound exists in extreme environments. Sound is just vibrations traveling through a medium. On Earth, air carries those vibrations to our ears, but in space, no air, no sound. That's why in real space there would be no fiery explosion sounds like in sci-fi movies. Inside a spaceship, sure, because there's air, but outside, silence. But wait, what if I told you scientists have recorded a sound wave in space? In 2003, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory detected pressure waves rippling through the hot gas surrounding the Perseus galaxy cluster. These waves are technically sound waves. The frequency of these waves is so low, about 57 octaves below middle C, that human ears can't hear it. But if we could, it would be the deepest sound ever recorded. This discovery tells us that even in space, under the right conditions, sound waves can still exist, just not in the way we normally hear them. Even though space is mostly silent, some planets and moons have atmospheres, meaning sound can travel. But it sounds different from Earth. Mars. The air on Mars is 100 times thinner than Earth's and mostly carbon dioxide. This makes sound travel slower, around 240 meters per second compared to Earth's 343 meters per second. Low-pitched sounds are muffled, but high-pitched sounds travel better. Venus. Venus's thick, hot atmosphere is made of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds. Sound travels much faster than on Earth, about 450 meters per second, meaning you'd hear voices deeper and more distorted. Titan, Saturn's moon, has a dense, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. Sound moves at about 200 meters per second there, which is slower than on Earth. However, the denser air makes sound travel farther. Each of these worlds would have its own unique soundscape, and if we ever sent astronauts there, their voices might sound completely different. Black holes themselves don't make sound, but the gas and material around them do. The sound waves in the Perseus cluster come from a supermassive black hole sending pressure waves through hot plasma. By translating those waves into human hearing range, NASA has heard the voice of a black hole. This eerie sound reminds us that the universe is far from silent. It just sings in a language we're only beginning to understand. So, while space is mostly silent, there are incredible exceptions. From deep cosmic rumbles to alien atmospheres where sound bends and changes, the universe is full of mysteries. Which space object would you love to hear if we could? A black hole? Jupiter's storms? The surface of an exoplanet? And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more amazing science videos.